Hi, Story Cooking Classes, where we cook and tell stories. Last time we followed the Silk Road to Central Asia. Today we're heading west to the land of sea, mountains and endless cheese. Not France, it's Georgia. Georgia, not the US, but the country that practically invented cheese. Sorry friends, looks like Georgia beat you to the cheese party. It's okay, you still have croissant. Today we're making khachapuri, or as locals say. And yes, I can pronounce it right, but not write it in Georgian. There are many types of it. Emiruli, which is flat, migruli with double cheese, and ajaruli, a famous boat-shaped one with an egg on top. Think of it as Georgians' answer to pizza and cheese pie, but richer, meltier, and somehow happier. Let's get baking. For ajaruli khachapuri, you'll need flour, yeast, milk, eggs, salt, sugar, vegetable oil, and of course cheese. Traditionally, emiruli and suluguni, but mozzarella and feta work great too. Remember, in Georgia, cheese isn't just food, it's pride. Combine warm milk, sugar, yeast. Wait 10 minutes until foamy, like an yeast latte. Mix with salt, vegetable oil, add flour. If it sticks, add more flour. If it doesn't, you're either lucky or Georgian. Let the dough rest for an hour. While we're waiting for the dough, I'm going to tell you the long story about cheese making and bread baking. Georgia has one of the oldest cheese making traditions. More than 8,000 years. Archaeologists even found cheese residue in ancient clay jars. And bread, the same story. Every village had a clay oven where families and neighbors baked together. So maybe it was a destiny. Thousands of years of cheese and bread. Looks like the Georgians made another smart move, combining the bread and cheese into a perfect boat-shaped pie. Let's head back to the shipyard, the kitchen, and make it. Let's grate mozzarella cheese. Add feta cheese. Add butter. Add 1 egg. And the second one. Add a little bit of salt. That's your cheesy cargo for the board. The dough is ready. Roll the dough into an oval. Add cheese butter mix on top. Roll up the edges, making like a little boat ready to sail. Pinch the ends. Cover the dough with egg yolk. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for 12-15 minutes until golden and brown. While it's baking, let's talk about where this beauty comes from. Many believe that ajaruli khachapuri comes from the coastal city of Batumi. Locals say the breadboard represents the ships, the cheese is the sea, and the egg yolk is the setting sun. Bread, cheese and the sea. That's basically Georgia in one dish. Take the pie from the oven Add 1 raw egg yolk. The heat will cook it gently. Add a knob of butter. Don't ask me how much. Georgian grandma just know. Time to serve. Tear the crust. Dip it in. Swirl. And eat it while it's still molten. Salty, creamy, and cheesy perfection. And by the way, it goes perfectly with red wine. Which Georgia also invented. Sorry, France, you cannot win today. Cheers. Bread, cheese, and wine. That's happiness in 3 acts, from rice and spice to bread and cheese. And now we're heading into sweetness. Next time on High Story Cooking Classes, we're making meringue and marshmallow, also known as zephyr, a dessert that equals part clouds, science, and romance. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. New episodes every Saturday.